they were there.
Insane. Absolutely
Like,
insane. What? Bro, our waiter was at our table. White people come in.
How can
he
the
leaves
waiter
us.
leave you at
Imagine.
the table just because
He
a white
left
person
us.
walks in?
Guys,
What
we
nonsense
are
is this?
leaving. There's no way. This is the restaurant. I don't think the racism in this country will ever end. I cannot believe that this is still happening in 2025. The treatment my family and I received last week, that was just one of the worst experience I've ever had. So here's what happened. So my little brother was receiving a award at school, right? So after the awards, we decided to go out for lunch to celebrate my little brother, right? Fine. So we get to this restaurant. It's called Grill O at Springsgate. Here's the first red flag. When we walk in, this waiter is like, do you have a booking? Do you have a booking? Even the attitude, it was crazy. We're like, Aibo, booking yan manje. This place is so empty. Booking. Why are you asking us about a booking? And it's also just the manner in which he spoke to us. He spoke to us as if we were just not welcome there. He was so rude. First red flag. We're like, booking? Why do you need a booking to eat here? He's like, do you have a booking? Do you have a booking? He doesn't even answer. I'm like, it's so empty. Why do you keep asking us about a booking? And he's like, do you have a booking? We're like, no, we don't have a booking, but do we need a booking to eat? He's like, do you have a booking? I'm like, no, but then I told you we don't have a booking, but why are you asking us about a booking? I mean, it's practically empty. The restaurant was empty, guys. It was empty. So I don't understand why is he asking us about a booking after we have clearly said that we do not have a booking. Okay, fine. One of the other waiters takes menus and he puts the menus in one of the tables. We go to the table, we sit down. At the table, as we are seated, guys, first of all, it took forever for someone to come attend us. It took, I don't know how many minutes, but we were there for quite some time. And the restaurant, as I said, it was empty. There was a few people outside. There was not a lot of people. Anyway, fine. Eventually, one of the waiters came, and when he got to our table, he's busy writing or he's busy with his book. My husband asked, "Hi, do you have ESPN?" Okay, ignores him. My husband asked again, "Do you have ESPN? I want to try it out." Guy ignores him. He asked again for the third time. This waiter ignores my husband. As my husband is asking him this question, 3 customers walk in, white customers walk in with 2 waiters escorting them, basically. Okay, fine. When our waiter notices these 3 white ladies, did this guy not just leave us? He literally just left us there, and he went to these white ladies who were being escorted by 2 waiters. So gahle, it was 3 waiters for 3 customers, and they're all going to one table, by the way. Bebahamba bonke. And we were left there with no waiter. He was about to take our order when my husband asked him a question. He ignored my husband. 3 white ladies walked in, accompanied by 2 waiters. This guy just left us. He just left us there. And we walked out. And one thing that really just got to us was the fact that he was being so nice to these ladies. He was being so nice, guys. Like, he was being so nice. And here's the thing, I've seen Grill O on my Facebook. They always run ads so many times. I always see the ads on my Facebook. And we've always said we want to try it out, right? Fine. So my question is, if they don't want people of color in their restaurant, why bangapalila pag Facebook? Why am I always seeing their ads on my Facebook? They should also put there, we don't serve people of color, clearly, because they don't. It's inhumane for me to go to a restaurant and experience that treatment. Why don't you write, like, make it clear, no, Tina, we are racist, we hate people of color, you are not allowed. But anyway, guys, sure, like, we were so hurt. We left Sahamba and we went to Spur, and we had a great time. Anyway, that's my experience with Grill O at Spur.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Uxoxa story sokuthi bebalapha eGrill O nemndeni wakhe, and uthi racism lelapha kuleya ndzawo, it was just on another level. Uthi abazange banakwe nokunakwa, bebanaka nje belungu labangena emva kwabo, ongamawetha owahamba yayonaka labo belungu labayi-3 labangenile. Uthi bavele babona ukuthi lana samukelekanga. Uthi uma ngabe eGrill O ifuna bantu belungu kuphela kuleya ndzawo, why bangasho kuma-ads wabo labayowenda lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana ukuthi cha, mawutalana make sure ukuthi umuntu lomhlophe ngelibala, if umnyama ngelibala, you are not welcome. Uthi nje bababutana ukuthi nibhukhile, babe babona ukuthi kuleya ndzawo it was just so empty. Ucabanga ukuthi yini wena into lenda ukuthi bantu babe ne-racism even nakulesikhathi in 2026 we still experience racism in South Africa? Please do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.